Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows 11 start menu not working. So how can fix this issue? So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all press the Control Alt and Delete button, go to your task manager, scroll down and find out a Windows Explorer. Now here is a Windows Explorer, select it, click on restart. After that close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that press Control Alt and Delete button, go to your task manager, click on File, click on Run New Task, and after doing this step, type PowerShell, click on Create this task with administrator privileges, click on OK. After doing this step, copy this command from video description and paste it and press Enter button. After that, type exit and exit the PowerShell, close it and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that press a Control Alt and Delete button, open a task manager, click on File, Run New Task. After that, type is a C columns backslash Windows backslash system32 backslash ctfmon.exe. Click on create this task with administrator privileges. Click OK. After that, close it and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. Okay guys, the last method is that open any browser, go to your any search engine and type Windows 11 download, click on first link, scroll down and click on download now, create Windows 11 is installation media, click on download now, save button. After doing this step, open it, click on accept button, click on next button, select the ISO file, click on next button, save any location, the process will be started and it's required of a few hours to complete the process. After completing that, click on finish it. After that, go to your save location. In my case is in download section, so open it, open a setup. Now after that, click on next button. Now after that, automatically restart your computer, and after restart your computer, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Now you can see data. In my cases, my PC does not currently meet Windows 11 system requirement, and if your computer is according to your Windows 11 requirement, then it's automatically restart your installed and restart your computer. After doing this step, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.